Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Matthew Pennington and presenting today on behalf of Group C, which includes myself, Chuck K. Mary Ong, and Pratik Pratak. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to present to you our proposal for Rise and Grind. Today, we'll take you on a journey through our website where you'll discover our buyer persona, brand guide, and marketing plan. So let's dive in and explore the world of Rise and Grind together. We'll begin with the About Us section. Allow me to introduce you to Rise and Grind, where we believe in the power of everyday heroes. Our mission is to serve those who rise with the sun, seize the day, and make the most of every moment. We're not just a coffee shop, we're a daily ritual, a warm smile, and a place that feels like home. Established in 2023, Rise and Grind has been dedicated to providing quality, authentic coffee experiences that fuel the everyday pursuits of our community. Let's take a closer look at what makes us unique. So going to the buyer persona. Our buyer persona is Regular Joe. Regular Joe represents students, working professionals, parents, and friends who make up our loyal customer base. Demographic is the age range of 20 to 65. They are predominantly students and working professionals who appreciate a good cup of coffee. Personality traits. Regular Joe is laid back, casual, and values consistency. They prefer no-frills experience that is reliable and of high quality. Hobbies and interest. Regular Joe enjoys spending time with friends and family, participating in local activities, seeking out comfortable spaces where they feel welcome and at ease. They value community and appreciate a sense of belonging. Challenges. One of Joe's main challenges is finding a dependable source of quality coffee that isn't overpriced or over-glamorized. They want an honest, trustworthy coffee provider that fits naturally into their daily routine. Goals. Regular Joe's goal is simple. They seek a reliable source of quality coffee in a casual and welcoming atmosphere. They want to start their day on the right foot and enjoy a coffee experience that enhances their everyday life. Next, we can go to the brand guide. Here we feature our logo, which we're very proud of. Rise and Grind, awaken your spirit, energize your day. Brand guide goes through our overview. Our mission is to offer everyday coffee for everyday heroes, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Vision, to be the go-to coffee shop for those seeking quality brews, relatable atmosphere, and a value for money. And values, authenticity, quality, value, community, and inclusivity. Brand aesthetics, we like to stick to neutral, relatable colors like beige and tan, as you can see on the site. This reflects a fairly down-to-earth tone, which would be appreciated by the regular guy, gal archetype. Fonts we like to use are Fajala and Rubik. Easy to read, relatable. Imagery, everyday photos. Focusing on diversity, community, inclusivity. Brand and voice, maintain a down-to-earth, genuine, and relatable tone. And vocabulary, familiar language that the regular guy, gal would understand. No jargon. Finally, we can transition to our marketing strategy. Here you can see we have several categories to consider. With our buyer persona and brand guide in mind, let's dive into our marketing strategy. It's intended to engage, connect, and serve our everyday heroes like Regular Joe. So some of the factors we focus on is reciprocity, fostering a sense of community and mutual support, the loyalty programs, commitment and consistency. We understand the value of trust by consistently delivering high quality coffee. We build a reliable brand that Regular Joe can count on. Social proof, we showcase testimonials, customer reviews, and stories of our regulars to give them a sense of other people also enjoying our product. Authority, Rise and Grind is knowledgeable about coffee. Liking, we create a friendly, welcoming environment, both in our physical and virtual locations. And scarcity, we utilize limited time offers and special brews to generate excitement and sense of urgency. So in conclusion, hope you enjoyed our proposal for Rise and Grind. We meticulously crafted this website to engage, inspire, and cater to Regular Joe and others like them. Thank you very much for your time.